Hello everyone. Today we're going to see north-facing duplex house plan with four bedrooms. Uh, the length and breadth is 30 by 60, 1800 square feet plot, and the total build-up area in the ground floor is 1260 square feet. We are entering the northeast main gate. There is a car parking portico space, 15 feet 6 inches by 15 feet 9 inches. And in the northwest, a small garden area is available. In this northeast side, you can make a underground water tank, sump, bore well, and then even in the northwest of north side, you can make a septic tank. While entering into the main door, there is a hall in the space of 12 feet 9 inch by 22 feet 6 inches. Somewhat lengthy hall is available, and then sofa and the TV are shown in this floor plan. Uh, in the northwest corner, there is a small kids bedroom in the size of 11 by 11 feet with attached toilet 11 feet by 5 feet. This is a duplex plan, so staircase came in the inside of the house. Normally, as per Vastu, we keep inside staircase either in the south wall and or in the north west wall. Here we kept in the west wall in the mid, and then nearby staircase in the west side. There is a Pooja Room in the size of 11 feet by 5 feet. God ideals we kept in we can keep in the west wall so that it will face on the eastern side. And then master bedroom is available in the southwest corner. That is 11 feet by 17 feet. Usually we keep a master bedroom in this direction so that uh, as per Vastu, uh, parents are yearning for persons that want to stay in this direction in the southwest corner. And then as per Vastu, we can keep our head while sleeping in the south or east side. Here we kept the bed in the southern side so that our head will face we keep on the south side, and then wardrobe we can keep in the south or western side. Here we kept in the southwest corner of western side wardrobes, and then attached toilet came in the southern part, in the size of 4 feet 3 inch by 11 feet. And then in the southwest, southeast corner, we kept kitchen cum dining in the size of 8 feet by 17 feet. Normally, we want to face east direction while cooking. So stove we kept in the east wall, and then in the northeast part, okay, sink should become. So sink should come. So sink is in the center of east because dining space also required. So we kept like this. Uh, via stairs, if you enter in the first floor, there is a hall in the same size of ground floor, 12 feet 9 inch by 22 feet 6 inches. And then in the northeast of north, there is a balcony, 13 feet by 6 feet 3 inches. And same like ground floor, kids bedroom is also available in the first floor, 11 by 11, and attached toilet 11 by 5. And then here master bedroom also somewhat bigger than ground floor, 11 by 22 feet 9 inches. Same like ground floor, we kept a bed in the south wall and wardrobe in the west wall. And then in southeast of south, balcony is available for this master bedroom, 13 feet by 6 feet. And then somewhat bigger toilet is available here. So 12 feet 9 inch by 10 feet 16 inches, so that here we can place a tub also, even tub, shower, commode, and wash basin is available inside this toilet. So this build up area also same 1260 square feet. So like this, if you need more plans for your plots, you can check our website, or even you can contact us directly. Our website name is www.houseplansdaily.com, and our store website is www.houseplans.world, or you can contact us on WhatsApp. Our number is 9952029063. Uh, Also, you can check out our apps, which is available on the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planners and Designers. Check it out and install. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel, like and share this. Thank you.